today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a desktop shortcut on your computer. This simple and handy trick can save you time and make accessing your favorite applications much easier. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's go to your desktop. This is the main screen of your computer that you see after starting up or minimizing any open windows. If you're not already there, simply click the Show Desktop button on the far right end of your taskbar, or minimize any open applications to get a clear view of your desktop space. Now that you're on your desktop, you'll want to access the Start menu. You can do this by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard, which is usually located between the Control and Alt keys. Alternatively, you can click on the Windows logo found in the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Once you do this, a menu will pop up, displaying various options and applications. In this menu, look towards the top right corner and find the All Apps option. Clicking on this will give you a comprehensive list of all the applications installed on your computer. It might seem like a long list, but it's pretty user-friendly and allows you to scroll through and find exactly what you're looking for. Next, it's time to locate the app for which you want to create a desktop shortcut. For illustration purposes, let's say we're making a shortcut for the Calculator application. Scroll down the list until you find Calculator, or you can use the search bar at the top if the list is too long to sift through manually. Once you've found the Calculator app, or whichever app you're interested in creating a shortcut for, the next step is very straightforward. Click on the application and hold down the mouse button to drag it to your desktop. As you drag, you will see a faint outline of the application icon moving across your screen. When you reach a spot on your desktop where you want to place the shortcut, simply release the mouse button. This action effectively creates a shortcut, and you should now see the application icon on your desktop. Voila! You've just made accessing the app much faster with this desktop shortcut. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. By following these steps, you've now mastered creating desktop shortcuts, a nifty little trick that can help streamline your workflow. Using shortcuts is a great way to personalize your system and enhance your efficiency by making your most used apps readily accessible. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shortcut creating.